Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a nice simple bauble that you can do for your Christmas tree. What you need to do is get some of these fillable baubles. These are the ones that stick together, they clip together like that, and then you just oops, and then you just tie the top together with some thread. Be careful with these ones though, because some of them are looser than others. This one's quite a secure one. But I have had others where it doesn't feel like it closes very well, so you might want a bit of like washi tape around the edge or something. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this one up with some ribbon and chocolate coins. Let me just move you, give you a bit more space. There we go. So I've got these cheapo golden chocolate coins. And I've got some ribbon, so I've just cut a length of this red sparkly ribbon because I wanted red and gold for this, and then I'm going to put some of the coins in. Oops, it's not the easiest thing to manipulate, but these are nice as like a little treat thing, so you can hang some sweets on your tree. You can fill these with whatever sweets you want. And I think they look quite nice. They're quite simple and easy to do. I need to spread this out a bit. As you can see, my ribbon doesn't want to cooperate because it's quite a stiff ribbon. That's quite a nice little simple one. And you can add as many or as few chocolate coins as you like. You can also add some other bits to it. So let me get some, oops. I've got this fake holly stuff, which I'm going to snip a bit off. So like you could add that to your ball as well. Boo ba doo boo. So I'm going to add a bit of holly, not the fake holly obviously, ribbon, and my coins. Like so, and then pop the lid on. Come on. There we go. Got a little bauble that you can hang on the tree with some sweets in. You could make these as little gifts, so you could do like one for each member of your family. I'm going to add to it a ribbon. Made my ribbon too short. Well, there you go, you get the general idea. And these look quite nice on the tree as well, and it just saves having those bags with the little mesh with the coins in. I think that looks a bit tatty. I like it to look a bit more dressed up, so I tend to do them like these. You can just put sparkly tinsely stuff in here as well. You could even put a bit of glitter in. What else could you put in there? You could also put in there these little tree things. Hold on a sec. Just let me get a longer ribbon. Make sure you cut a decent length of ribbon when you put the ribbon in the top, because otherwise it doesn't work. That piece of ribbon I cut was too small, unfortunately. You need enough room to be able to tie it. Like so. Just balance that there then so it doesn't roll off my table. You could also put like mini Christmas trees in. This one's too big, unfortunately, for the I've got, the balls I've got. But if you had larger balls, you could stick little Christmas trees in with a bit of fake snow. I don't know if I've got any little ones actually. So you could do like a really basic one with chocolate coins, which is now going to roll all over my desk. Or you could do ones with pine cones and things in. So I've got a pine cone and some of this fake berries. So I'm just going to sort of shove that in there like that. And then I've got some fake snow. Oops. This is why I've got it in a bag. I'm going to fill this up with some fake snow, like so. And then pop the lid on. And we give that a shake. There you go. So that's quite a nice one with a pine cone, some berries and fake snow. So you can make it with coins and ribbon, pine cones, berries, snow. You could fill these up with tinsel. You could put whatever you want in these, which is the advantage with these. And I like them because they make little unique baubles and also little unique gifts as well. Let me just clear off my desk. So fake snow everywhere now. Okay, so, and then the next one I'm going to put in here. Just get some fake snow out of this bag. So I've got to work out which end's open. There we go. So in this one, I'm going to put my fake snow. Obviously, if you give these as a gift or anything, just tell them to be careful when they open it. If you've put like a gift in there, if not, it's fine. I'm going to put in. I've got some gold stars. I've got this from the pound shop. It's got loads of different stuff in. Got gold stars in there. It's got red stars. Silver stars. Let's have a look how much that looks. Yeah, I need more glitter. But you can put in as much or a little as you want. I'm going to put loads more in. Hold on. La, la, la. I'm going to half fill the bauble with the snow. And then loads more glitter. Oh, come on. So I'm trying to get in the thing. Come on. There we go. So I can get more stars out. So I put red and gold in this one. And a little bit of silver. Obviously this one you'd have to make sure you seal it very well so it doesn't pop open and surprise you one of the days. That's quite a nice cute little one as well. You could put like a little snowman in there or something. For me, I'm just going to put in some gold coins. There you go. So that's 3 little ideas for fillable baubles, and you just put a bit of ribbon in the top and hang them on your tree. Like so. I do prefer this one with the berries, the pine cones and the snow. I think that's my favourite one. But yeah, you can put whatever you want in these. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.